All right, let's see what we got here. So we have what's the parent chain? You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's one. Or you can do it come down here too, right? See that? Both ways you got the same number of parent chain. Okay, but here's the thing: if these are tied with the number of carbon, the one that have more substituents win. And here's the reason why. All right, if you go with the red number here, this is your parent chain. Okay, how do you name this as a substituent? This guy right here. This is difficult. That's the reason why if you see a tie in here, you pick the one that have the more substituent, because if you go this way, you get a propyl group here, to methyl group here, much easier to name substituent. Okay, so we have 3 substituent, 5 substituent. We take 5 substituent. Don't just forget this one. All right. Okay, so your parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 come down here. All right, so we got chloro, we got methyl. Okay, and we got propyl there. All right, let's name them together. All right, so 2 chloro, M before P. Hold on, A B C D. M N O P. So M before P. Okay, so M come first. So we have methyl at position 3. 2 methyl group at position 5. So we go 3, 5, 5. And what? Methyl? No, 3, 5, 5. Tri methyl. There are 3 of them. No space. Just kind of space there. No space there. Okay, so everything like connected. 2 chloro, 3, 5, 5. Tri methyl. And we got propyl at position 4. So 4 propyl. And the parent chain, heptane. All right. Okay. All right. That's one. Now, next one. Okay. Now, this one is easy in terms of the parent chain. All right. Name the parent chain first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. 10 is a decane. Okay. Now we got third butyl group or T-butyl. Third butyl group. All right. And this guy right here, anyone remember? Benzene ring. We got a phenyl group. Okay. So one thing you need to know, for speaking of alphabetical order, of course, A through Z, you guys know that, right? But in this case, for the prefixes, for some prefixes don't count. For example, secondary, tertiary, they don't count. So in this case, third butyl, we go with the B. Okay, so this don't count. We have tertiary, secondary, sec, and the normal, which means straight chain. They don't count that as in terms of like arranging the substituent. I don't know. I don't really know the reason why, but that's how they do it. All right, but iso count. Okay, iso count. So third doesn't count. Secondary, sec doesn't count. Normal doesn't count, but iso that's I. Okay. All right, what we got? If you go this way, third butyl at position 5, phenyl at position 6, we go 5 T-butyl, 6 phenyl. B comes before P. But if you go backward from 1 to 10, from right to left, you're going to have 6 third butyl and 5 phenyl. Look like that. All right. Now, which one do we take? B, good. With the alphabetical order, we go 5 T-butyl, 6 phenyl. This guy right here. Okay. B has a higher priority than P. Okay. All right, this one. Okay, let's see. Start with the parent chain. Okay, the parent chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is nonane. Okay, this is going to be nonane. And if you go this way, you get isopropyl there. Anyone knows the name of this guy as a substituent? If this guy were to be a parent chain, we call it cyclo 3 carbon. That was the 3 cyclopropane. But it is a substituent, so we call it cyclopropyl. Okay, this is cyclopropyl. All right. Now, so what we got here, we got iso at position 4, cyclo. So C comes before I. Okay, so we go C, cyclopropyl at 5. So 5 cyclopropyl, 4 isopropyl, and then nonane. But if you go backward, right, so 1 here up to 9 there, you're going to have this guy at 5 and 6. All right, so 5 cyclopropyl, 6 isopropyl. Which one? Well, of course, we take C. We take C. Oh, hold on. Oh, C have the same number, and we have 6 and 4. We take 4. That's guy. Okay. All right, more example. Let's go a little bit more. All right, now this time Your parent chain is a cyclic compound. All right, so this guy's cyclic right here. So we have cyclo, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbon cyclic compound, cyclopentane. All right, so cyclopentane. Now, we have to name the substituent. All right, we have isopropyl and a methyl. But what position though? If you do 1, 2, and 3, you're going to have this methyl, this isopropyl. I comes before M, so we get 1 isopropyl, 3 methyl. All right, and cyclopentane. If you go the other way around, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you will have 3 isopropyl and 1 methyl cyclopentane. Which one though? Well, I comes before M, so I has a higher priority, got priority. Okay, so we go with 1 isopropyl, 3 methyl cyclopentane, the red number. All right, one more. Now we have 6-membered ring. Okay, alkane. So we got cyclohexane for sure. Like that. All right, the cyclohexane. Now let's look at the position. All right, if you go with the red one, you got 2 methyl group. Anyone knows the name of this guy? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is butyl. Now this is butyl, but it's not. This butyl does not branch out at the end, so it's not isobutyl. Branch out at the first position one time, we call secondary butyl. Branch out twice at the first position, we call third butyl. Okay, this is secondary butyl or sec butyl. All right, and secondary, tertiary, we don't count it in terms of like arranging the substituent, ordering substituent. This is B and M, so B comes before M. Okay, all right. Well, we got in this case we're gonna have 2 sec butyl, all right, and 1,4 dimethyl. And now, if you go the other way around, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're gonna have 3 sec butyl, 1,4 dimethyl. Oh, totally. You know the answer. We take 2. 2 and 3.